Hello my ICTA students. We're going to do another tabs example this time, so please make sure you're on no spacing, you've got a blank sheet, your paragraph symbols on, and I want you to type in exercise 6, Tabset, and press enter twice. And the first thing we're going to do, remember, File, Save As. Go to Browse, you've got to go to your name. So I'm going to go to my name, and I'm going to go to ICT slot 4, and we're going to go to tabs. And as we did in the last one, click at the end of the 6, type in Tabset, press your home key, and type in your name and today's date, and in my case September 25. You use the date that's current for you, and save. Alright, we're going to set 3 tabs here. Okay, we want to set a left align tab, so I'm going to change this tab marker to left align, and I want it at 2.5. Alright, then I want a right align tab at 4 inches. So I want to click here, right align tab at 4 inches, and then I want to change it to a decimal tab at 5.5. Alright, so I have 3 tabs. Alright, save your work, Control S. Now press your tab key and type rocks, R-O-C-K-S. Press your tab key and type 2. Press your tab key and type 1.5. Now press enter, tab, and type stones, S-T-O-N-E-S, tab, and type 215, tab, and type 10.25. Press enter and tab, and now type pebbles. Press your tab key and type 334. Press your tab key and type 22.555. Alright, press enter. Now what do? We want to clean the ruler. So hold down your Control and Shift, press the letter N for normal, and take a look. Your ruler is clean. Alright, put on no spacing, and now press enter once and go Control S to save. Alright, I may have time to do this heading, I may not. What I want to do here in this assignment, this video, I want to show you how now to copy a picture from the internet and place it into your folder. So first of all, we want to check. Most of you should have a pictures folder. Alright, so I want you to come down here and go to your File Explorer. You see this yellow folder, and I want you to go to your folder for me. Okay, so go to your name. So I'm going to go to my name. There's my name, and I'm going to go to ICT slot 4, and now take a look. Have you got a pictures folder? I have, you should have. But if you haven't, you're going to right click, you're going to go to new folder. Now I'm going to type in here just so you can see it, pictures, and I'll put a 1 on mine just so that it's different from the other one. Alright, so that you can see that. Press enter, and now I have 2 pictures folders. I have that one, and this is my second one. Alright, so that's fine, I'm not worried about that. But if you've got 2 like mine now, then click here and press delete, because we don't need 2. But you should have 4. You should have displays, intro, pictures, and tabs. Okay, that's good. So close out of here, click on your X, and now you're back in your document. Alright, now we'll go to Chrome, and you're going to go to a new tab, and you want to search for images of rocks. Okay, images of rocks. And you get some rocks, but we're going to say more rock images. Now pick out something that you like what looks like a big rock to you. Doesn't matter to me what you choose, but you pick out a big rock. Oh, this kind of looks nice. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, or maybe I like this one. This looks like the Bay of Fundy. Okay, so now this time we don't copy. We want to right click, and you want to choose Save Image As. Save Image As. Now the computer brings up this dialog box. Where do you want to go? you want to go to your name. All right, go to your name. So here's my name, and we want to go to ICT slot 4, and we want to go to your pictures folder. So left double click. Now, do you see your pictures? Okay, so this time I just want to call this one Rocks 1. Okay, just put in Rocks 1. And if you had another picture that you liked, make it Rocks 2, and another one, make it Rocks 3. That's all we need. All right, and save it. Okay, now let's go back, and this time I want to search for images of stones. Images of stones. Now the stones shouldn't be as large. So let's see what we got here. No, they're not. So we want to find a stone. Okay, so what do you like for stones? You pick something, it doesn't matter to me. I think the stones are smaller than rocks. This looks like stones to me. So I'm going to click on this one. All right, and I want to, no, I don't like that one. I'm going to go here. I'm going to choose this one, okay? All right, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to say Save Image As. Now the computer remembers your name, ICT slot 4, and pictures. Okay, this is going to be called Stones 1. And again, the same as I said before, if you choose another one, it'll be Stones 2, Stones 3, and so on. All right, so Stones 1. And now let's go back, and I want to search for images of pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S, and they should be smaller. Okay, they should be smaller. Okay, and they are. Okay, so what ones do you like here? I kind of like these ones. These ones aren't bad too. Maybe I'll go with these ones. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so right click, Save Image As. All right, and now this is a JPEG image. We don't see the other ones, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, now why can't I see it? I'll maybe be able to see it later. All right, so I'm going to put in here Pebbles 1. All right, now because I can't see that, I'm going to do another picture here. I'm going to click on this one. Right click. I'm going to go Save Image As, and oh, I can see my rocks. Okay, so this one I want to call Pebbles 2. Okay, Pebbles 2. All right, save. Okay, we're finished with that, so I'm going to close out of there, and I don't need this here. Okay, so I want to go back to Word. All right, so I'm back in Word now, and now we are going to insert your picture from your folder. So you're going to go to Insert, Pictures, not online pictures, not shapes, pictures. And you want to go to your name. Okay, so go to your name. There's my name. We want to go to ICT slot 4, and we want to go to pictures. Okay, so I've got Pebbles 1, Pebbles 2, Stones, Rocks. Okay, I want to put the rocks in first. So choose the rocks and say Insert. All right, now size it down so that it's a reasonable size to fit on your screen. All right, and now let's change it to square. And you can put a frame on it, something, whatever you think looks good. Okay, all right, now go Control S to save. Now let's put your next picture in. Go to Insert, go to Pictures, and computer remembers your pictures folder. So let's put the stones in. So Insert, and once again, size it down. Okay, size it down. Always use a corner handle. And let's put something on this one. Well, that kind of looks nice. I'm going to choose that. Okay. All right, and go Control S to save, and make it square. We want to make this square. Okay, and now we want to go to Insert, Pictures, and I want Pebbles, and I want this one. Insert, and I want to size it down. Okay, size it down some more. Okay, and I'll size it down a little bit more here. And we're going to make it square. Okay, so I've got it square. All right, so now let's take, and what frame will I put on here? Oh, I think I'll go with that one. Okay. All right, so I'm going to click on here, hold down my shift key, click on here, and click on here, right? First thing, what do? Align the middles, okay? And align, distribute horizontally. And now we want to go to group. All right, and now you've got them grouped, and you can place them wherever you want. Okay, I've only got a few seconds left. This one tab looks a little off to me. I want to refresh your memory. Use the select just the 3 lines. Don't touch the paragraph symbols. And we're going to move this tab from 4 to about 4.5. Okay, and then I think we'll move this one over to about 2.75, like that. All right, that's good. Okay, now select your heading. Let's size it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember here, we want to go to text effects and typography. Choose something different this time. And now we want to choose outline. So choose a color for your outline. I'm going to go to more colors, and I want to get green here and say OK. All right, I've got my green there. And this time I'm going to go and choose shadow. Okay, so I'm going to get one of these shadows, and I want to go back here and choose a shadow color. So, shadow, and I want to go down to shadow options, and I want to choose a color. And I think I'll go with pink. Okay, there I've got pink, and now I could change the size. No, I don't want to change the size, but I might blur it a little bit more. Okay, I can change the angle. No, about there I want it, and distance will make it a little bit. So there's what we did. All right, I'm going to be out of time, so I need to stop here. You can go do your headers and footers, and we'll stop. So save it, Control S to save, and I'll stop here. So that's it for this one.